Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Do It With Us. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to remove a theme in your Messenger chat. Let's get started. First, launch the Messenger application on your phone. Next, head over to the message conversation where you want to change or remove the theme. Once you're in the chat, tap the information icon found in the upper right corner of the screen. On this page, you'll see the theme option. Go ahead and tap that. A panel will appear showing a variety of theme options. Now, here's the thing. Messenger doesn't actually let you remove a theme completely, but what you can do instead is reset it to the default theme. To do this, scroll through the list and find the default theme under the Colors and Gradients section. It's usually the second option on the list. Once you've found it, tap Select to confirm. And that's it. Your chat will now go back to Messenger's default theme. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in another video.